In our last episode, Ben snagged a big catch while we were sailing in 30-knot winds. After 15 to 20 minutes of fighting this fish, eventually we found out it was a shark, and even after multiple attempts to get our lure back, it was futile. So one lure less and hungry for fish later, we pulled into an island that was meant to be giving us protection from the wind. So we leave the so-called tropical islands behind and head for the rivers of Lockhart and Portland roads. We spot some prehistoric creatures along the way and also make some new friends that we get some tucker and sit around a campfire with. So subscribe and come along with us across the top of our great southern land. Chocolate scones for lunch after Castillas. We demolished some. And we made a whole pack of wraps. Because we came to Portland Roads and we can't even get to the cafe because it's low tide from 10 AM to 2 PM when they're open. And you can't call them to make a dinner booking because there's no reception. Not enough to make a phone call anyway.
Well, that was just plain rude.
Just FYI for anyone going to Portland Roads by boat.
Looks fishy though.
Does look fishy and crocky, which is good. We did drag last night, didn't we?
Twice.
Yeah, twice. We had to put the anchor down. Didn't really film any of it because couldn't be bothered, truth be told.
I was busy with other stuff.
Yeah, we were busy.
Like getting the boat anchored.
Yeah. Yeah, it's Portland Roads. Probably should have gone to Lockhart River as well, but we were in a hurry, so onwards to Cape York. That, my friends, is a croc.
Copy Xarifa. Crocodile.
Easy for you, buddy.
Yeah, he smells it. Yeah, I think he's long gone now.
Oh, he's there. He's just hiding. Buddy. We have had a big few days of sailing and we're in Margaret Bay near Cape York, Jardine River. Went to land, checked it out. There's actually probably in the last 12 months, a small yacht has been wrecked up on the beach there. So that was a bit strange for us to see because that's not on the map and we've not really seen that up here. Really, really sorry for anyone that happened to. What's we gonna do today? Eat, yeah.
Eat and drink.
Oh yeah, that's right, because we went to Portland Roads and we couldn't get to shore. We were really looking forward to going to the cafe there, but you can't get to shore when it's open because a lot of the time, if you're unlucky enough, the tide is not high enough for you to get to shore. We're now waiting until we get past Cape York to Seiche Bamaga to get some food. If not, after our passage in Gove, we'll go to a pub. But it has been 6 weeks now since we left. We're still going pretty well. We've still got quite a bit of food. We just don't have a lot of meat left. I did not buy enough butter or cheese. It's great if you're vegan, but if not, just gonna have to wait. Anyway, we're at Margaret Bay still. We didn't leave, and our friends on Xarifa II next to us have kindly gotten some goodies from a trawler, and we're going to go to the beach and cook that up. I'm allergic to shellfish, ironically. Allergic to myself. And we're going to go flick some lures in one of the rivers there and hopefully get some jacks, and if we're lucky, a barra. Just a friendly little visitor. Croc.
Oh, Shell, you're missing out. I'm so sorry.
Ah, that's alright, I'm used to it. Look at that.
Did you take it out
Grey tails.
No. The green bag. Oh, still hard. Oh, their legs are good.
Yeah?
Yum. Shell and all.
How is it?
Mm. Beautiful.
You want some, Bruce?
Hot.
Hot.
Mm. Oh, there's another one. Yeah.
Food heaven.
Not bad. Mm.
I've been through heartaches, I've been to heaven. I've done my best and my worst, learned my lessons. No matter how hard my life would treat me, I'd always get right back up, never worry. 'Cause I got a million reasons to keep holding on. Yeah, I got all that it takes to win and overcome. What I got is just a feeling, but it's oh so strong. It goes on and on, on and on. There's something going on inside of me. I feel it growing stronger every beat. I never just believe in what I see, 'cause I can feel the energy, Cause I can feel the energy. I've met my demons one too many times. They taught me lows are what makes you feel so high. No matter how far my mind would wander, I'd always dare it to go even farther. 'Cause I got a million reasons to keep holding on. Yeah, I got all that it takes to win and overcome. What I got is just a feeling, but it's
This is our last day at Margaret Bay, and we're heading to Escape River near Cape York. So pretty excited, we're going to hit the Cape soon. And Blue's pretty excited because then we get to go to Seisha and he gets to go for proper walks again. That we can go into town where they're not infested with crocodiles. Isn't that right, Blue? He's excited.
I wanna go there someday. I know we're going somewhere.
Bluebies.
Blue steel it, blue.
Blue steel.
Oh yeah, lunchtime.
I wonder how loud this is without the dead cat on it. Testing 1, 2, 3. Testing. Testing. Yeah. Look at these two. This one.